Both walnuts and almonds are excellent choices for supporting heart health, but they each have something different to offer. First, let's talk about walnuts. They are one of the best plant-based sources of a type of healthy fat called omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA for short. One study found that eating a small handful of almonds every day can reduce total and LDL cholesterol by up to 18% over 3 months. Both types of nuts are packed with nutrients and offer unique benefits for heart health. Consuming too many calories from any source, including nuts, can lead to weight gain and offset their health benefits. So as with anything, moderation and balance are key. If you're looking to boost your omega-3 intake and reduce inflammation, walnuts might be the better choice. And if you're focused on improving your cholesterol levels and protecting against oxidative stress, almonds could be the way to go. Ideally, including both walnuts and almonds in your diet would provide a balanced range of heart protective nutrients. Almonds are also a great source of vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin and potent antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and preventing artery damage. It also plays a role in regulating blood pressure and immune function. Additionally, almonds can help with blood sugar control, which is important for heart health because high blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of diabetes-related cardiovascular complications. Omega-3s are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support healthy blood vessels. Studies have shown that eating walnuts can help lower levels of bad cholesterol, specifically LDL, and slightly reduce blood pressure. This is likely due to their high content of ALA and another type of healthy fat called polyunsaturated fat. Polyunsaturated fats can help improve overall blood vessel function and reduce the risk of plaque buildup, which is a hallmark of heart disease. Walnuts are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease. By protecting against oxidative stress, walnuts can help keep your heart healthy. Now let's turn our attention to almonds. They are a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, which are known for their ability to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. In a nutshell, walnuts are a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, while almonds are known for their cholesterol-lowering and antioxidant properties. Remember, it's not just about the type of fat, but also the amount. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.